Tiny Reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing chocolate-filled crepes with hazelnut. According to my dictionary, it's crepes. La French word, whatever that is. Individually wrapped crepes, ready to eat. 20 of them, of course. I love hazelnut. Be like Nutella. Anyway, $6.49 is the price. Nutrition facts and ingredients. It contains egg, milk, wheat, and tree nut, which is hazelnut. No artificial coloring, no artificial flavoring, no high fructose corn syrup, no palm oil. That's 4 no's. And I tasted this before. It was awesome. So, I'm glad to taste them again. Does it open this way? Maybe it does. Individually wrapped. One for you, one for me. And one for you. Although you can't eat it. So normally when the crepes are made, some of them are with chocolate like this one. No, it's hazelnut. But others are with fruit or syrup. As always, it's the best. What I used to do is sometimes it rips. So if I got enough, yeah. This it's awesome. This is a must buy for sure. My mom might disagree though. It's so good. As you get towards the end, you can eat the chocolate. The hazelnut at the end. It's interesting how they rule this. Eating the chocolate or the hazelnut is a treat. See? Almost there now. You fool your friends saying this is napkin, I'm gonna eat it. It's greasy too. That's fine. Who cares about grease when you're eating chocolate? Hazelnut. There. That's the treat. And when you get to the end, you can just wrap this up again and just eat the chocolate. It's just so good. So chocolatey, hazelnutty, crepey. Did I use a word? Anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please press the crepe button or subscribe button. And meet me on this brown table series again in my crepe video, not in my other videos. Bye!